somewhere in a Chinese government database. A drone that doesn't officially exist, just got a name. If the early whispers are right, that drone might not even need to be registered when it lands in your country. DJI insiders are calling this the biggest Air series leak in 3 years. And the details we are covering today will shape the entire "which drone should I buy" conversation for 2026. Today, we are walking through the actual registry sighting that started this whole movement, breaking down what a Sub-250g Air series drone means for creators, digging into an overlooked 2025 prototype leak, and examining the regulatory hurdles that could impact U.S. availability. The registry sighting. On May 11th, 2026, a respected outlet published documentation pointing to the DJI Air 4 arriving ahead of Q4 2026. Rather than a blurry forum photo, it was spotted inside a Chinese civil aviation compliance platform, software legally required for domestic flight reporting, signaling that DJI's internal development has moved past placeholders into physical, flight-tested hardware. The Sub-250g breakthrough. Early chatter suggests the Air 4 could land under 250 grams. Historically, the Air series bridges the gap between Mini and Mavic. A Sub-250g body featuring flagship-level imaging would blow a hole through traditional assumptions, giving creators pro-level quality without the heavy registration or licensing bureaucracy. Rewinding to early 2025, a crash prototype photo shared by leaker Jasper Ellens offers crucial context when viewed alongside recent regulatory news. Thicker arms, indicating structural reinforcement, higher motor capacity, or expanded battery space. Top-mounted sensors, featuring a layout similar to rumored Mavic 4 specs, including 3 top-mounted obstacle avoidance sensors and a lead beacon, bringing flagship-tier safety and aerodynamics down to the mid-tier line. Camera system. Speculation points toward dual 1-inch sensors, vastly improving low-light performance, dynamic range, and color grading flexibility compared to the Air 3S. Flight and safety. Improved omnidirectional sensing powered by the top-mounted layout, alongside standard generational gains in battery and flight efficiency, while maintaining the reliable O4 transmission system. Release window. Industry rhythm points to a September to November 2026 launch window, pre-Q4, though official FCC filings are still pending. The elephant in the room. The ongoing regulatory climate around DJI in the United States introduces a wild card. While the FCC extended software update waivers for existing approved drones out to 2029, unfiled brand-new hardware, like the Air 4, faces a more complicated authorization battle. Practical impact. American buyers may face a longer wait, import complications, or potential delays through official domestic retail channels at launch. If you have stable import access / no immediate deadlines, waiting for a potential Sub-250g dual 1-inch sensor Air 4 is a worthwhile, massive generational leap. If you are in the US or need a drone immediately for client work, buy the Air 3S now. It is an approved, reliable, in-stock known quantity that avoids regulatory limbo. Are you holding out for the DJI Air 4 or grabbing an Air 3S right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped clear up a messy rumor cycle, hit subscribe with notifications turned on so you don't miss the moment the FCC filing drops. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.